You're being a sook. It's a fake sook as well. Have a kiss. Have a kiss. Did you say hi, guys?
Merci.
Hi, guys. What do you want? Who's that? Who's that? Who's on the couch?
Merci, what's this?
What do you want? Say what you want.
Merci.
Oh my god, that's a real lion! That's actually really scary. Oh, that's really scary. Oh, that's a real lion. Oh my goodness. I know. Look, are you scared? Are you not scared? What's he doing? You should see his face. Seriously. Oh.
Scared.
Are you scared?
Scared.
What's he doing, Mussy?
Scared.
Is he eating something, Willie? Is he ripping apart his gazelle?
Dad.
Again?
No, it's a giant.
Oh god, now we're gonna definitely have night terrors. Good morning, friends. It is quite early. We've got a few appointments today, and one of them in the middle of the day, I'm going to take Mussy with me because no one is available to look after him. Jill's is coming with me to the appointment, so Mussy's going to come too. Willie's really busy, and yeah, it's kind of the update. So they're going to come with us. Where did it go? You need to have a shower because your face is very dirty. Excuse me? Nana? Oh God. That sounds like a lion's ripping someone apart. No. He'll get scared. Scary.
Jeffrey lion.
I said they were scary.
No, lion.
I said they're
I'm gonna
scary.
come get you. I'm gonna come and
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh, they're real! You two are weirdos. Yeah.
Dad.
Yeah.
A lion.
Okay, alright. So, hi. What's the update? So, bit of a rookie mistake with the lashes from yesterday. The half lash that I used was I had previously used it before, so I had mascara and obviously residue of old glue on it. So when I went to sleep and I woke up, everything, like all the lashes of the band were like stuck together, and I just had to take them off. But I actually just cut some new demi wispies. I didn't have any more half lashes, so I just cut some new my much longer ones. And what I did though, which was pretty clever, is I cut the actual one lash. So this is a way to get half lashes but not cutting up one lash. Do you understand? To get half, it's cutting up one lash to get a half and a half, because these demis are equal and then they go long in the middle, so that's why it's like a cat eye kind of look. because I cut it just smack bang in the middle, turned them around and put them on the opposite eye. Clever! And it's a brand new lash, so there's no glue, there's no mascara, there's nothing on it, so let's see if it lasts a bit better. But I just woke up and everything was stuck together. So also Will was pretty upset yesterday night when he got home. He was like, I don't want you to vlog anymore. And I was like, okay, no worries. Any particular reasons? He's like, I'm starting to become like understanding what YouTubers go through. And I was like, really? Why is that? And he's like, well, you know, sometimes I browse the comments. Oh my God, so cute. And I was like, okay, cool. And he said, you know, and there's just like some lady having a go at you saying that you're like rude to me. And I'm like, who are you? Who the hell are you to say that? Like, I'm getting all defensive. And I was just all laughing. I said, you just gotta ignore it. Like, that's whatever. Like, that's what they see. It's maybe how it comes across to a viewer or whatever. And he was just like, I don't like it. I don't like it. They're judging and I just don't like it. You're not mean to me. And I was just like, he just got so sensitive. And I was just thinking, God, like, that's so funny. And he was like, I don't know if I want you to send more. And I was like, okay, well, how about you sleep on it and let me know in the morning. So funny. Anyway, he didn't mention it this morning, but he's feeling the YouTuber crap that we get.
Hello.
Hi, darling.
Hi, darling. I'm so excited.
Excited? Did you take your ugly shoes back?
Yeah.
Okay, just got home. Going to do some like eggs and tomatoes. Call them Persian eggs, but essentially just eggs and tomatoes. Mussy loves this dish, and he can eat a second breakfast easily. Hello? Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Wait, let me get going. Order.
Look at you. You're such a sexy boy.
Are you sexy, Mussy?
You need to get rid of that dummy.
You need to get rid of that dummy.
And then
Look at that sexy hair.
outfit will be just fine.
We are having our eggs. Would you like to tell the vlog what you just said? I said, where are you going? And he goes, your mum's. And I said, you know how rude that is? You always make mum jokes. And he said, because it's the most insulting thing you can say to someone about their mum. And then I said, what did you say? You said, I said to someone at the
I asked
restaurant.
someone if their mum keeps asking me that.
You asked someone at the restaurant, does your mum miss me? Oh my God. This is what our future is going to look like. Mussy, get to the dinner table. Get to the dinner table right now. Mussy. So here we go. This is the finished result. This is how we eat it with bread. No cutlery. My accent. Mussy. Be off. Now. Oh. Yes, son. Throw that down. Come on. Let's go. Chop, chop. Say bye, Dada. Oh, Mochi. Oh, good boy. Okay. Okay. Bye, Daddy. Okay. coffee. We got to get on the road. So the takeaway. Again, this is my brother-in-law's cafe in Sutherland Shire. I've linked their Instagram below. Check it out. I run it. Okay, Martin, come on, we gotta go. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Quick! Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. No, guys. Oh, guys. Sit down. Oh, cool shoes. Cool shoes. These are fast new soccer shoes. Fast new soccer shoes. Are you going to give me that dummy? Are you going to give me that dummy, please? Say bye, dummy. Bye, dummy. I need that shoe. I need that shoe. Shoes on, shoes on. Yuck. Give respect. Shoes on. Ta. 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 You're a good boy. Is that yummy biscuit? Is it yummy? Yummy biscuit. Okay. Okay, hi guys. My battery died the second I got in the car with Mussy. Dead. My other two are dead, like they're not charged, which is really bad. And we had our full day of meetings, Mum and I, and then I had to come back and start packing. Mussy is at Mum's and they're packing, well she's packing because we're going to New Zealand at like 7 AM in the morning. So I don't even know if this will be a vlog. I swear I don't have any footage from today because the batteries died and I'm so sorry about that. But tomorrow we'll be going on an international flight to New Zealand. So yay, I will see you in tomorrow's vlog guys. Bye.